If we have time today, you can choose up to 3 tail feathers for your bird. I got 1, 2, 3. And then you can attach them with the glue. I'm going to use the glue on the inside of my tail feathers where I didn't really get the paint. That's where I want to add my glue. So I'm just going to put a line of glue there. Not a whole lot, just enough. Put my feather on top of it. I kind of put it in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And if I want to do one on the side, I can do that too. That'll be kind of quick before it all drips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm just pressing the feather against the inside of the tail feathers where I put the glue. I got one more here. Add a little bit of glue. Stick your feather inside. Might get a little drippy, a little messy. That's okay. That's why we have a tray. And then hold it, pinch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. Remember, when you close your glue, you need to go righty tighty. And I'm actually pushing down. If you just twist, it might not work. So you have to press down as you are twisting it. Twist it until you see that white part come up. That way you know that it is closed. And please return it to your caddy. Wash your hands and listen for where I want you to put your bird.